Most people don't hate paying tax. They hate paying more tax than required. And the shocking part is, millions of beginners overpay income tax every year. Not because they earn too much, but because they don't understand what income tax really is. Here's the uncomfortable truth. The tax system doesn't punish ignorance, it profits from it. And beginners are its favorite victims. If you've just started earning or feel your salary disappears too quickly, this video might be the most important financial lesson you'll ever watch. Because once money is paid as tax unnecessarily, it doesn't come back, ever. The biggest lie beginners believe is tax is fixed, you can't do anything about it. This belief alone costs people years of savings. Income tax is not a punishment, it is a system with rules, and rules always create winners and losers. People who understand the rules pay less, people who don't pay more. Simple. But nobody teaches this in school or at your first job. Beginners assume overpaying tax is normal. It's not. When you get your first salary, you feel proud, independent, responsible. Then you look at your payslip, and suddenly a chunk of money is gone. Most beginners don't ask questions. They assume deductions must be correct. Payroll systems are designed to be safe, not smart. They deduct more to avoid trouble. Your rent, goals, family situation, none are considered. So unless you take control, the system takes advantage of your silence. Tax is not about how much you earn. Tax is about how your income is classified. Two people can earn the same amount. One pays high tax, the other much less. Beginners usually think higher income automatically means higher tax. That's false. Only the portion of income above a slab limit is taxed higher. Fear is another reason people overpay tax. They fear notices, audits, or mistakes. So they choose the easiest option, pay more and stay silent. But silence is expensive. Every year you overpay, money is lost forever. The government will never call you saying, "You paid too much tax." Tax laws give relief options, but it's your responsibility to claim them. Ignorance is treated as consent. That's why learning tax basics is survival. Tax planning is not illegal or unethical. It's simply using the rules as they are written. The law provides deductions, exemptions, and allowances to reduce financial pressure. But if you don't know about them, the system quietly keeps your money. Tax planning is literacy, not cheating. Most tax videos confuse beginners with too many terms and complexity. Avoiding overpaying tax is not tricks, it's about understanding the logic. Once you understand the logic, everything else becomes easy. We'll show exactly where beginners overpay, and small awareness can change everything. The most dangerous assumption beginners make is, "My employer handles everything." This assumption alone costs years of unnecessary tax payments. Employers deduct safely, not intelligently. Default deductions are designed for worst-case scenarios. Only the portion above a tax slab is taxed higher. Beginners often don't realize this. Many avoid bonuses or overtime fearing higher taxes. Understanding slabs helps you plan income smartly, not emotionally. Your payslip looks official, but it doesn't show intelligence. It shows automation, not personal optimization. Payroll doesn't consider your rent, insurance, or savings. That gap between legality and optimization is where your money disappears. Rent is one of the biggest tax savers beginners ignore. Many skip claiming rent due to documentation myths. Even moderate rent reduces taxable income significantly. Beginners think deductions are extra work. In reality, most require minimal proof and basic awareness. Insurance is another trap. Many buy emotionally without tax benefit. Some policies give safety but zero tax advantage. Others do both. Waiting until year-end to plan taxes is another costly habit. Beginners often say, "It's just a small amount, it doesn't matter." Small tax leaks repeated yearly become massive losses. Impulse advice is the biggest trap. Copying friends or social media blindly costs money. Tax is personal. What works for others may harm you. Beginners feel tax is confusing because it's explained backward. Start with logic. What's taxable? What reduces income? What is optional? Once logic is clear, everything else becomes simple. Confusion is not complexity, it's poor explanation. Now you know where money leaks happen and why beginners overpay silently. But knowledge alone isn't enough. We'll build a beginner-proof system to work year after year, remove fear completely, keep tax low legally, and require minimal effort. No tricks, no shortcuts, just clarity and action. Ready to save thousands without stress? Here's your step-by-step system to stop overpaying income tax. Step 1. Know your total income and tax slab. Break your income into categories: salary, bonus, side income, and investments. Only the portion above a slab limit is taxed higher. Step 2. Document every eligible expense. Small amounts count. Organize monthly to avoid panic. Step 3. Automate tax-saving investments. Monthly contributions to retirement, mutual funds, and insurance grow over time. Step 4. Optimize allowances. Even pre-tax benefits reduce taxable income legally. Step 5. Plan year-round, not just at year-end. Monthly review prevents costly mistakes and missed deductions. Step 6. Review and double-check your tax forms. Simple mistakes can cost hundreds or thousands. Step 7. Learn and build confidence year after year. Track income, deductions, and notice patterns. Knowledge removes fear. Step 8. Psychology matters. Approach tax like a puzzle. Don't fear mistakes. Don't procrastinate. Each deduction, allowance, and slab is a piece of the puzzle. Step 9. Recap your simple system. 1. Know your income and slab. 2. Document expenses. 3. Automate savings. 4. Maximize allowances. 5. Plan year-round. 6. Review forms. 7. Build confidence. 8. Adopt a proper mindset. Follow these steps, and overpaying income tax becomes a thing of the past. Imagine saving thousands legally without stress. Tax is not punishment. It's a tool that can work for you. Start today. Take control. Keep your money where it belongs. If you learned something today, like, subscribe, and comment. Comment below. What's the first deduction you'll claim this year? Let's make tax simple for beginners together.